morning. Thanks to my moderator in the back, Nastia. Wonderful good morning. Enjoy your coffee or tea or okay, so I'm really happy to have you here again in this show. So let's see what we can do today. First of all, we stream this show on YouTube also. So if you watch it on YouTube right now or maybe later, then you will find a button right corner. Lisa, good morning. Then can you subscribe the channel? You can give us a like if you want. You can leave a comment below that video. And right now the chat is open on YouTube and of course here on Zoom too. So feel free to ask whatever is in your mind. First of all, I want to say thank you that you were part of our survey yesterday, because thanks, of course, for your positive result, that you like the show. I'm really happy, and we will work really hard to make it better and better. And if you want, in case you missed the survey yesterday, you'll find it after the show again. Then if you go offline from the show on Zoom, by the way, then this survey pops up and then you can be a part in case you missed it maybe yesterday. But first of all, thanks that you gave me such a wonderful positive result that touched me really hard. So I see we are on track all together to learn from each other, to be a family, to treat each other with deepest respect, and to follow the same path to success. And I will do furthermore, I will do all my best every morning and every day to bring you on that path to success and by the way, happiness. This is what we have to do, being happy every single day. So let me share my screen, Jesus Christ, share my screen this morning. And let me fix that I can see the chat. Yes. Marie-Louise, how is your husband? I hope he's doing better. Can you give me a yes or no? So, and here we go. Yeah, great. So we are wonderful, great community. Wonderful. So on YouTube also. Okay. So what do we expect today on numbers? Great. Thanks, Marie-Louise. Thanks. Say greetings. Yeah, from the unknown man in your life. Okay. So what we expect today? It's that's UK is over already, came up at 8 o'clock, public sector financials. Then this afternoon we have a couple of numbers. US, thanks God, the US weekly export sales. Then at 2:30, 4 o'clock, existing home sales. Then about the EU this afternoon, the flash consumer confidence indicator and the gas storage report will come up today also. And good morning to everybody. Anthony, greetings to Sussex in London. Nice to meet you here again. So good morning on YouTube also. So by the way, today is Thursday and I want to invite you first of all to join this side. If you think you're a cool trader, everybody should follow you, then you can join this site, this homepage from Admirals, Achieve More with Copy Trading. Or if you want to follow someone, then you can do it also on this homepage, by the way. And not to forget, if you have an Instagram account, then it's a really cool thing to follow. Yesterday, we got a new content, Forex arbitrage trading. Very interesting. You can leave your comment, and we have wonderful people beyond this content. So you can ask them everything what you want. They will give you, under all circumstances, they will give you an answer. So let's go and start with our running trades, especially with the DAX trading. So what happens yesterday, you see, not really much, but we had finally a new trend continuation yesterday morning. And for the rest of the day, we were in the correction. So, but now we can delete this line. We can delete this line, but we cannot delete this line because now this morning there was a trend break. There was the trend break. So which means, first of all, where's our orientation? Oh, by the way, in the uptrend, the second trend arm also brought the money. Yeah, and here we go. There was another chance in the second trend arm, or in the third one also. Second and third one also was the money in. So first of all, let's see where is our point of control. So here we go. There is a point of control. In the future market, yeah, it's also on the lower side. So point of control is still 15,149 euros by one future contract. So which means that's the first target or the final target, by the way. So, but now after the trend break, we have to start with a new trend, which means this is the new trend. We start at the last point 2, first move, first correction, first trend arm, dependent origination, you know, remember yesterday? So then here we go, second trend arm, second correction, here we go, highest point. So, and now you see finally it happened again, trend continuation. So where were your signals? Yeah, there, balance candles, then there, couple of balance candles, and again, here we go. There was a chance, and finally, yeah, got it, right? It happens again and again and again. Oh, by the way, and again. And in case you forget, again. Yeah. And if I forget it, again. Yeah. So make a note. It happens, if in case you didn't hear it right now, again. Yeah. So second trend arm, highest probability ever. Okay. So just let it go. If you are not a part of it right now, then maybe next 10 minutes is not your business. But now we see a kind of correction again. And this one, let's see if you see a new trend continuation today. Let's see. Let's switch to our focus charts. It's also, we start with US dollar, British pound, US dollar. What did we reach? What did we reach? Type in the chat box. Can you see it? What did we reach right now? Can you see it? Type in the chat box. Can you see it? What did we reach again? Can you see it? Yes, it is. It's the Holy Grail. It's the Holy Grail in trading. It's the point of control. We reached it again. And we predicted it before. You remember? We predicted it before. And I do really love it because it's the one of the nature laws of traders, especially for private traders. So there, that was the trend, move, correction, second trend arm. So strategy was working, correction, move, correction, again and again, bam. And not anyhow, as you can see it, not anyhow. Look, I would say exactly, right? You want to test it? Okay, point of control, 138.32. 138.32. So in the high of this candle, Exactly. You see? It's exactly the high. Cool, right? So I guess the market knows what he has to do. It's wonderful. So now it's over. We're just waiting for a new trend. So you see, trust the system. Could be profitable. Could be profitable for you. Okay, so let's go to the gold chart. And in gold chart, we are circling around the point of control, but the trend is, yeah, it's the chance is over because that was your chance. Move, correction, move, correction. Second correction, there was the chance, and here was the move. Now we are on the third correction. There was new entry, and we are still back on track to the point to reach the point 2. It's a little bit hard because we are circling around the point of control, but there was your chance. Here and there was the chance to make, there was the money in. So here is the money. So don't miss entry in a second trend on. So let's go to Bitcoin. Bitcoin had yesterday a new record high, a new all-time high ever, up at, that was 67,000 roundabout. What was it here? Yeah, come on. I guess my MetaTrader hates Bitcoin. It's a mirror of my feelings. Okay, so let's see how it works. Finally. Yes, high 66,631 dollars. Yeah, new record high. And you see how important it is to not miss the entry in a second trend arm and then just follow the trend. You see, it could be that's the money, you know. But you only can make this experience if you don't judge and interpret and just follow the trend and the rules. So Euro USD, by the way, we have an open position. Now we reached point 2 almost again. So, but not with a close right now. So just let it go. So we sold already half the position, so we are safe. And we have a lot of space to go up to the point of control. So just let it go. Yeah, maybe you are strong. So my question is, so who is a part of this trade? Can you give me an information on YouTube or on Zoom? Who is a part of this trade? Who is with me in this trade? Who is with me in this trade? Whatever, demo or real, doesn't matter. Who is with me? Cool. So next question. Are you strong enough? Are you strong enough to work with me in that trade and to give us the chance to make the same experience, to let the trade run? Let the market decide how much money you will get. Are you strong enough with me together? What do you think? I will not be afraid anymore. So, are you strong enough? So, I have a good advice for you. If you're struggling, then take your bicycle and take a ride. Yeah, as long as it will take. Maybe you should take a ride for 3 weeks. Then you can come back and check the chart again. Maybe I'm sitting hand by hand for hours. Yeah, social rockets, cool. Yeah, so let's be really strong enough. I hope so. So I don't know. I'm with you on the right side of the chart. Very cool. So I don't know what happens on the right side. I really don't know. But I know two things. A trend continuation is always more likely than a trend break. And as long as the market will not move the point of control, yeah, there is a guarantee that we'll reach it at any time. So now it's just up to you and me if we are strong enough to ride the trend. Yeah. So, and by the way, if we are strong enough, and maybe let's see how far or how long this the trend will take us with them. So let's see. I'm pretty excited about that. Okay, so next one, Dow Jones. And Dow Jones had a new all-time high yesterday the price were rejected at the point of high. So, but we said the price is too old. There is nothing to do for us. And in DAX, we are not that much, but also there is the trend I told you yesterday already. So that's the trend, move, correction, move. And I guess it was a cool idea when I said yesterday, please, you know, in the second trend on, we can ignore rule number 3. But if you don't have, or if you have a correction which is not going deeper than 38%, then make an entry at the point 2. So, and I guess that was a good idea yesterday because we are not in, and now the price is going down, which means the correction is going lower, and correction extends, by the way. And yeah, let's see. But if the price will go up to the point of control and continue, then you are a part of it. Yeah. So keep cool. Okay. So that's the focus charts of Admirals, by the way. Before we jump to our running trades and new proposals for today, I have a question for you. And Nastia, if you want, we can open the poll of today. Thanks a lot. So here we go. What's the disadvantage of a stop loss? What's the disadvantage of a stop loss? So first answer, it will stop my trade and it will miss money. Or second one, wait, what? There is no disadvantage of a stop loss. What are you talking about, Marcus? And maybe third one, I don't know really yet. So feel free, it's completely anonymous. No one is looking at you. No one is looking at you, just me, I see you. So, and yeah, feel free, be a part of it. The better, the more, the better. Okay, so I have still an open trade in DAX 40 in daily chart, by the way. And yes, as I mentioned a couple of days before, I guess we'll be struggling a bit at this volume zone here. And yeah, let's see. We haven't seen a trend continuation here at the point 2. So we see an extension or a new correction. The stop loss is above the last point 3. Only 2 things must happen: trend continuation or trend break. Yeah, for the trend break, I have my stop loss, calculated money there. So I don't have sweaty hands. I'm completely cool. I'm cool as ice. Not really, just small ice cubes a little bit. Not really. So, but yeah, I have learned that in my trading career not to intervene into my trades. So unfortunately, the Dow Jones got it out yesterday. So there was our stop loss yesterday. So by the way, the trend is broken. And you can see it, yeah, you can see it here a bit. Index here, normal candles, you see we had a close above this point. So therefore we have a trend break, by the way, which means there on the right side now is a new trend, which means we start at the lowest point, less 0.2. Here we go. Then this one. And now we have this one, which means we have to wait for a correction and then we can go up. Even we are deep in the green zone, but the price is not part of the rules, by the way. Yeah, it's just an orientation, which means we don't want to expect basically 13, 14 trend arms. Just a strategy means accumulation phase, above the last 0.2, and then we are fine. Just wait what happens there. So then we had one trade open, and I closed it this morning, guys, and it was British pound Australian dollar. Why? We see a recovery because the price is going up. And check it out, what we did there. In here we go. So that was the trend. Move, correction, move. So then a small correction. There was a reversal bar, by the way. And then I said, let's speculate on a trend break. And it happened. Yeah, it happened yesterday. And this night, the price went a little bit lower. On my real account, I made a partial profit yesterday night here, roundabout. And now I see this morning, okay, they make they cover the price. And this is a kind of reversal bar again, which means that was the trick of the market, to bring the people to sell, and the institutional money comes up with the volume, and now they push the price up. And now there will be a reversal bar because people, they are short in lower time frames, they trailed the stop loss. And every stop loss is going to be a new buy order. So now the price is, that's a domino effect, you know, going up and up and up. So therefore, the job of a private trader is to follow the strategy. And the strategy in this case is to see a trend continuation. And there was a trend continuation because we had a close below the last 0.2. And if there is no more pressure on the volume side on sellers, it's your duty to make a green number. Don't know how much, doesn't care. And I don't care. It was a profit. Next time, maybe the price is going deeper. Then we are fine with that. But now, don't make a loss. That's what I try to teach you. The moment the strategy is successful, it's not allowed to make a loss. And I can read the chart. There is nothing to interpret. We had a close, trend continuation. That's it. And if you can see that the price is going up, close it. There is no hope. There is no, oh my God, maybe it could be. There is no could be. There is no maybe. There is fact. Fact. Trend continuation. Price is not working anymore. Out. Be happy. It's a green number. That's the job, to produce green numbers on your account. That's the job what we have to do. Not guessing, not speculating, not whatever you do. Just make your job. And this is what we have to do in trading. So what's my proposals for today? I have one for you. So first of all, if you trade 4-hourly chart, then it's Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. And here we go. That's the trend. By the way, point of control is quite far away. Yeah, so move, correction, bam. And now second trend, arm move, and first correction. So next balance candle is ours. So first of all, two options. Let's use Fibonacci. Yeah, you know, in second trend, we can ignore rule number 3. So two options. If you don't reach 38%, then I will make then you can make an entry at the 0.2 to speculate of a breakout. If you will see a deep correction, which is going lower than 38, then you can come up from the out of the correction. Yeah. So just do it in that way if you want, just up to you. But this is how I manage this. Okay, this is Australian Canadian dollar. So the next one is, oh, by the way, we have the shares Lyondell, buy sell. Oh, we are close to open the trade. Yeah, be careful with that. I said here, breakout on the upper side. And host hotels also, we are circling with the point of control, so just let it go. So, and another example and proposal for you in shares is Cisco Systems, because there is the trend. So here we go. We can see it. Yes, here we go. So, no, that one, short. So here we go. And by the way, the point of control is quite far away, $46. So which means as long as we don't see a break at the 0.3, then we can imagine that the price is going down. Yeah, and you can see it also with Heikin Ashi too. So here we go, waiting for the balance candle. Could be really interesting. Waiting for the balance candle. It might be the third trend arm already. Yeah, so be careful with that, but it could be a possible chance, yeah, in this one. So my question for you today was, what is the disadvantage of a stop loss? So it will stop my trade and I will miss money, 16%, but 18%, 80%, there is no disadvantage for stop loss. And 4% we had, I don't know yet. So if you say, I don't know yet, feel free. Of course, it's kind of experience. If you say it will stop my trade and I will miss money, then you are still on track to learn. And that's fine. It's really fine. It's a process. Yeah, it's a process. But think about it. If you think it will stop my trade and I will miss money, then you are too much engaged on an emotional way. So don't do that. Why? The market doesn't know you. And you cannot take the product with you at home and you put it in a shelf and can watch it and caress it and put the dust away and something like that. No, you cannot take it with you at home. Why you should have a relationship to that? So only if you think you have a relationship to your product, yeah, then you feel this kind of emotion. The trend or this trade, I will miss money when I get out, something like that. Don't do that. The market doesn't know you. You and me, we are nobody. We are literally not existing in the market, literally not existing in the market. So why should you think that the stop loss is a kind of punishment? Yeah, if you cross the street by the red lights, then you get a ticket. This is a punishment because you broke the rules. And I guess the cop knows that and they know you, right? So, but in trading, there is no personal relationship. So the stop loss should protect the trading idea and should protect your plan. So, and basically, once you have learned that, then you will realize that there is never a disadvantage in trading with the stop loss. Or like Vladimir said, stop loss is the boss. That's cool. Thanks, Vladimir. We should take this over. We should take it over. Stop loss is the boss. Yeah. Therefore, I'm happy that 80% of you said there is no disadvantage. It's a kind of process. Yeah. Take distance from trading on an emotional way. Think in a logical way, as I try to teach you all the time. Think in a logical way. And then you are on the way to become a professional private trader. Guys, thanks for listening again. I wish you a lovely, wonderful day. Enjoy it. Have courage and be kind all the time. And may the force